The North Indian style of classical singing means thought or fancy. Rag Darshan the visual concept of singing of a rag in Khayal style reflects the cultural traditions, customs, and economical life of the people in ancient India and sing to us the glory of its magnificent past. The civilization that flourished in the ancient times in India speak to us through the architectural remains and sculptures and the scriptures and thought handed down the ages. India has been a cradle of civilizations. It has lived through many transformations. Many people came to India and made India their permanent home and gave themselves to the Indian earth. They were all changed, transmuted, and became flesh of its flesh. India lives simultaneously in many centuries, living in the present, building for the future. India derives inspiration from the past. Different faiths coexist in India. The majority of the people are Hindus. Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, and Buddhism are followed by many people. Practically every religion in the world is professed and practiced. In this vast subcontinent. Music and dances are claimed to have divine origin. The specimens and the pieces of craftsmanship have come down as the heritage of the country and are the most precious treasures. Divine arts reached in due course to the royal courts and palaces, to the folks and town and the villages to add richness, joy, and grace for day-to-day life. Basically, India is an agricultural country and cultivation is the main occupation of the people. There are other occupations, but people do many odd kind of jobs to make living out of it. There is a great disparity of wealth. The luxurious lifestyle of the rich differ from the miserable life of the poor. Yet the poor men adore the king. They work hard for their comfort and pleasure. The patronage of the king helped to develop the divine art of music. In the following composition, the composer praises his royal master and pray God for his prosperity and success. तरस सरस देत दुख बिसरन को, करत कृपा प्रभु सुख बरन को। अंतरा दाता विधाता दीन दयाल तुम, रिद सिद्ध नवनिध दीजे साहू को, अहमद दास तिहारे चरणन को। It means the sight of the king give joy and pleasure to the people. They experience the joy of their whole life with one kind look of the king. You are my benefactor and the master of my destiny. The grandeur of archaeological remain sing to us the glory of their master. This is the composition of the greatest musicians of the century, Ustad Alaadia Khan.
दरस सरस दे दुख में शरण को, 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 शरण को करत कृपा प्रभु सुकुमारन को, दरस सरस दुख में शरण को, करत कृपा प्रभु सुकुमारन को, दरस दाता विधाता दीन दयाल तुम, दाता विधाता दीन दयाल तुम, रिद जिद राम निध दिज साहू को, अहमद दास तिहारे चरण को, दरस शरण को, शरण को करत कृपा प्रभु सुत बरन को, दाता विधाता दीन दयाल तुम दाता विधाता दीन दयाल तुम हृदय सिद नाम निध साहू अहमद दाद तिहारे चरण को दर्द दसद दुख शरण को दर्द
In ancient India, women were held in great regard and had great respect in the society. As mother, she was highly honored. As wife, she was considered Ardhangani, the half of the man, and no religious ceremony was considered to be completed without her participation in the rituals, and the unmarried young girls were worshipped by the elders in the society. But as a practice, the position of the women degraded. Society was divided in caste and subcaste. The girls were considered as a liability to the parents, and they want to get rid of them as soon as possible in order to safeguard the honor and the prestige of the family. But the young girls in the society were constantly enjoying watching other girls of their age becoming bride. Brides in India have their own eternal grace, charm, and beauty. Over centuries, the customs, traditions, ceremonies connected with marriage, as with so many other different aspects of life, have remained practically unchanged. The nose ring, bindiya, kangan, and other ornaments of gold and silver, which the poor girls as well the rich girls love to wear for ages. In this composition, young girl expresses her desire to have all those ornaments which are associated with bride. Astai, Shaluda Rangade, Balam Ji Mora. अंतरा माथे की बिंदिया नत बल खाए और मंगा दे हाथन दा चूड़ा. It means dye my shawl in the color of a bride, O my love. Let my forehead bindiya shine, my nose ring dance, and fetch me the bracelet.
Shaluda Rangade Balam Ji Mora, Shaluda Rangade, Shaluda Rangade Balam Ji Mora, Shaluda Rangade Balam Ji Mora, Shaluda Rangade Balam Ji Mora, Shaluda Rangade Balam Ji shalula ragade shalula ragade Gamadani dani da ma da ma ma gamagare gamadani da da gamadani da da gamadani da da shalula rangade balam mora shalula ranga gamagare gamadani da ma da ma gamagare gare da gamadani 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 da shalula rangade balam mora shalula ranga sare dani da ma dani re dani da ma dani da dani dani da ma dani re da da ma ma ga 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 re dani da shalula rangade balam mora shalula ranga shalula rangade balam mora shalula rangade shalula rangade balam Gamadani da 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 gamadani shalula rangade balam mora shalula
The social custom of getting rid of young daughters put them in a very precarious position in the house of her in-laws. The household is usually dominated by the elder women of the house, and the young son has no right to speak up against the wishes of the elder ladies. Instead of defending his young wife, he always sides with them, obeys their orders, and respects them at any cost. The young bride has no right to defend herself or to complain. In ancient India, men enjoyed great liberty and were even able to enter into relationship with various women. This causes great mental and emotional stress to the bride. In this situation, she is all alone. When she desires to have her husband with her, he is always with other women. She has no means of expressing her feelings to him directly. She depends upon her friend or on birds to take her message to him. In the following composition, she expresses her feelings of loneliness to a bird. अस्थाई पीहू पलन लागी मोरी अखियां, आली बिन पिया मोरा जिया, घबराए चैन नहीं आए, घड़ी पल छिन दिन रैन. अंतरा बीर पतगवा ले जा संदेशवा, पिया संग कहियो हमरी बिता, तुमरे दरस को जिया तरसे. It means, oh my love, my eyes have turned sore waiting for you. Oh my friend, without my love, my heart is restless. I don't find peace, even for a second, a moment, a minute, a day, or a night. Oh dear brother bird, take my message to my love and describe him my condition. And tell him that my heart is longing to see you. Sages and philosophers of India have for centuries searched the depth of the mind and the mysteries of the universe. Indian music has been called from olden times the music of nature, precisely because it upholds and reflects all changing laws of nature. Great saints and Sufis have used music to elevate the souls. It was the strongest and the most popular and effective medium to reach to the masses, both poor and rich, and preach them the philosophy of life. In ancient India, music was also used to bring out the evils of social custom and traditions. Special songs were composed for this purpose, in which social grievances, religious rituals and philosophy of life and death were described. Arts in various forms, painting, crafts, sculptures, song, music, drama, and dancing have through the ages been the lifeblood of the culture and traditions of India. In this composition, the composer is preaching the noble virtue of humbleness. He says it is better to ignore the person who does not listen the good advice of the learned one. अस्थाई परिये वाके पायल सजनी, जो ना माने गुनियन की सीख. अंतरा, जो गुनियन की सीख न माने ऐसे मनुष्य के पास न जाइए, दरस कहे वासु दरिए. It means one should humbly touch the feet and excuse himself from those who does not listen the good advice of the learned one. According to the composers, one should keep away from those who does not respect the words of the wise man, and one should avoid such person.
सजनी परी वाके पायल परी ये वाके पायल सजनी परी Rama bani rama dama gare sa bani eva keva ni dama gare ni sa Rama bani rama bani ni ni gare ni rama gare sa bani eva keva ni dama bani ni bani ma ba ni da ma ga ri da ba ni ma ke ba ni da ma ba ja ni da re